more. Woohoo! There's Brett. The water's calm. All good. We'll check back with you later.
There's a perfect explanation for the shit that I've been in. As soon as I find out, I'll let you know. And if it's any consolation, well, your horse is going to win. 'Cause mine and all the others are just too slow. There's a coastline I'd like to go back. And if you don't mind, I'm gonna turn round in my tracks. It's good to be back down on the coastline. We lost contact.
You wanna go river left? Get Eddie out, baby.
I was trying to
or just go fast downstream.
There's a coastline I'd like to go back. And if you don't mind, I'm gonna turn round in my tracks. It's good to be back down on the coastline. We lost contact, and I hope that you don't mind.
Into the murky board.
Just trying to save us both some time. Everything's new when the sky is blue. You got everything to do.
Hello, hello.
Chesley quit the army and he started a band. He used to play that club down at Tidal Strand. I think they're changing the name again.
We need more water.
Down in Holland where the windows are big, they paint the buildings bright, 'cause they've